Today I'm reviewing Adams CS3. To me, this is one of the best products Adams puts out outside of their detail spray and their brilliant glaze. This is a top 3 product by them for sure. The reason I say that is the versatility and how great it works. First job, it's a waterless wash, so you can use this to clean your paint. And just take a nice microfiber, give it a couple sprays into the microfiber, wet down the surface, and lightly wipe it. Flip the towel over to the dry side and just buff it. You'll see how nice it makes that look. Right, that's job number 1. Works great on paint as well as glass. One into the towel, draw a square, flip the towel over to a dry, clean side, and now your window looks perfect. How about on black plastic? Check. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Look at that. There's not much this can't do. I mean, you can't do tires with it, but that's about the only thing. It's about the only thing I won't use it on. You can also use it on your door jambs. So just give it a light mist there, one into the towel, and this doesn't take any pressure. You just lightly go across the surface here, and you'll see it picks up the dirt and grime. Now flip to a clean section of the towel again, and just like that. This looks 1,000 times better. It's the 4th way you can use it. What else can you use it on? Well, I don't have WeatherTechs in this vehicle, but if I clean some WeatherTechs, I can use this as a drying aid and it will darken them up and protect them. I also like to use it on my wheels. Make sure your wheels are cool to the touch. Take this utility towel, I'm gonna put it on the fluffy side, give it 2 or 3 sprays, a couple sprays onto the wheel, and just go through the wheel here. You don't have to really give it too much elbow grease. Now this wheel is already clean, so I'm just actually adding some gloss and some protection with it. And that's one of the main things that CS3 does. It adds gloss and it adds protection on top of its cleaning capability. The last party trick I want to show you is under the hood. So if you're looking at this, it doesn't look so bad, but you can see some pollen and some dust built up. So that's where CS3 really shines, is on black plastic. I'm gonna take this utility towel, flip it to a low pile side, spray about 3 sprays. Let's just go across it here. And just like that, you've made this look factory fresh. You do the same thing on top of this little fuse box. See all this dirt and grime on here? Give it a couple sprays. Now look how nice all of this looks now. Look at all that junk that was on there. Ugh. Now that I've shown you several ways to use CS3, there's one more way I need to tell you about, and that is to use it during the drying phase of the wash process. So after you've washed the vehicle down and rinsed it, and there's still water sitting on the surface, take CS3 around the vehicle and mist every panel. Take your drying towel and dry it off, and you're going to notice how nice it makes the drying process. It adds lubricity, it adds shine, and it adds protection, because this is a waterless wash infused with SiO2. So over time, if you do this after the first 2 or 3 washes, it's going to almost be like your vehicle has been ceramic coated, because this is going to bond and it kind of stacks on top of itself, and the stuff is great. It'll do the same thing in the engine bay. If you used it once or twice in there, you're going to notice it's going to stay cleaner longer. It works that way on every surface I'm showing you. Exterior plastic, wheels, paint, everything, glass, all those things. This will give you that beading effect and keep it cleaner longer and make it shinier. And so it's just an all-around awesome product. So 10 out of 10, recommend.